Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Ryan Hoirul Insan. My student ID number is 33210048. And on this video, I will present about syntax midterm project. And yep, here we go. Press and structural rules. Press and structural rules are a type of rewrite rules used to describe a given language syntax and are closely associated with the early stage of transformation grammar proposed by Noam Chomsky in 1957. They are used to break down a natural language sentence. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ryan Khairul Insan. My student ID number is 33210048. And now on this video, I will present about syntax midterm project. And yep, here we go. Syntax midterm exam. The first is press structure rules. Press structure rules are the type of rewrite rule used to describe a given language syntax and are closely associated with the early stage of transformational grammar proposed by Noam Chomsky in 1957. They are used to break down a natural language sentence into its constituent part, also known as syntactic categories, including both lexical categories and prosal categories. A grammar that uses phrase structure rules is a type of phrase structure grammar. The first rule reads as sentence consists a NP or non-phrase followed by a VP or verb phrase. The second rule reads a noun phrase consists of an optional determine followed by a an or noun. The third rule means that a noun can be preceded by an optional AP or adjective phrase and followed by an optional PP or prepositional phrase. The round brackets indicate optional constituents. Beginning with the sentence symbol S, and applying the phrase structure rules successively. Finally, applying replacement rules to substitute actual words for the abstract symbols. It is possible to generate many proper sentences of English or whichever language is rule are specified for. If the rules are correct, then any sentence produced in this way called to be grammatically or synthetically correct. The next slide is a phrase structure rule, as they are commonly employed result in a view of sentence structure that is constituent based. These grammars that employ phrase structure rules are constituency grammars or phrase structure grammars as opposed to dependency grammar. Which view sentence structure as dependency based. What this means is that for phrase structure rules to be applicable at all, one has to pursue that constituency based understanding the sentence structure. The constituency relation is a 1-to-1 or more correspondence for every word in a sentence. For every word in a sentence, there is at least one node in the syntactic structure that corresponds to that word. The dependency relation in contrast is one-to-one relation. For every word in the sentence, there is exactly one note in the synthetic structure that corresponds to that word. The distinction is illustrated with the following trees. The constituency tree on the left could be generated by phrase structure rules. The sentence S is broken down into smaller and smaller constituent parts. The dependency tree on the right could then, in contrast, be generated by phrase structure rules, at least not as they are commonly interrupted. Okay, the next part 2. Aldi went to the cinema last week. Aldi is a NP or noun phrase or proper noun. And then the second line is went to the cinema last week. Went to the cinema last week is VP or verb phrase. When is a verb. And then to is prep. The is determined. And then NP. Cinema is noun. Last is adjective. And week is a noun. The second is the faster runner won a gold medal at the Olympic. The faster runner is a NP or noun phrase. The is determined, faster is adjective, and runner is a noun. And the second line is won a gold medal at the Olympic. Is a verb phrase. One is a verb. The is determined. And then about a gold medal at the Olympic. The gold medal is noun phrase or noun, and then at the Olympic is a prepositional phrase. At is prepositional phrase. The is determined, and Olympic is a noun. And then the third is the old and the big tree swayed in the hurricane. The old and the big tree is a noun phrase. The is a determined, old is a noun, and is a conjunction. Big is adjective, tree is a noun. And then about swayed in the hurricane. Swayed is verb. In the hurricane is a prepositional phrase. In is prepositional. The is the determined, and the hurricane is a noun. And the fifth is the big girl saw Eliezer with a lovable panda recently. The big girl is a noun phrase. The is a determined, big is a adjective, and a girl is a noun. And then about the second line is saw Eliezer with a lovable panda recently. Is a verb phrase. And then saw is a verb. Eliezer about a proper noun with a what is that? PP. Oh, professional phrase. And then a lovable panda recently is a noun phrase. Determined, lovable adjective, panda noun, recently is a prepositional. And then that's all from me. Thank you and goodbye.